Imagine earning up to $75 per hour without even leaving the comfort of your home. Picture yourself in your favorite pajamas, sipping coffee, and working from a cozy corner of your house. Sounds too good to be true? I get it, you might be skeptical. Well, stick around because in this video, I'm revealing a legitimate work-from-home platform that can transform your financial future. FreeUp. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme, it's a real opportunity. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our amazing money-making methods. We're constantly sharing tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. We offer global opportunities for online earning, so comment your country below if you want us to create region-specific videos. We love hearing from our international audience. Alright, let's meet FreeUp. FreeUp is a freelance marketplace dedicated to connecting business owners with talented freelancers and remote workers from all over the world. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, there's something for everyone. To start earning with FreeUp, you'll need to apply for the jobs it offers. The application process is straightforward and user-friendly. When you visit the website, you'll immediately see all the available job offers. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to navigate through various listings. Most of these are full-time positions, but part-time opportunities do pop up from time to time. So whether you're looking for a side gig or a full-time career, FreeUp has you covered. If you see a job that catches your eye, just click the apply button. Simple as that. The application process is quick, and you can start working in no time. Working with FreeUp comes with a ton of perks. Imagine the freedom to choose your projects and clients. You can work remotely, enjoy flexible hours, set your own rates, and build your portfolio. This flexibility allows you to balance work with personal commitments. They even offer free monthly webinars to help you upskill and stay competitive. These webinars cover a range of topics from improving your technical skills to mastering client communication. On FreeUp, freelancers are paid by the hour for each project they complete. This ensures that your time and effort are fairly compensated. And the best part? FreeUp pays you every week for all the billable hours you've accumulated. No more waiting for months to get paid. So, no need to wait until you hit a certain amount to withdraw your earnings. Your hard-earned money is available to you promptly. Payments are hassle-free and can be sent directly to your PayPal or Payoneer account. This makes it convenient for freelancers worldwide to receive their payments. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback helps us create better content. Have you tried any freelancer platform before? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Your insights could help others in our community. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Your support helps us reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next one. Until then, happy freelancing!